on the way to the gym right now, and then our plan is to go to the mall. I want to find some bathing suits. I cannot find any cute bathing suits.
Shark a bitch. Shark a bitch.
That for me?
No.
Damn it. Got one bathing suit from Hollister. Got one more bathing suit. I feel bad. Not that bad. Here's my sugar daddy. Shout out sugar daddy. I got this bathing suit, which is bikini top, bottoms, cute. Top is a little big. It's okay. Cute.
Bitch, I'm taking off, I'm floating out of space. Been too many racks, designer on my waist. Shawty said she feeling me, wanna ride my wave. She should be my everything, she's.
Okay, I can't tell if this is like cute or not. It looks cute on Pinterest. Pajamas. I got this bathing suit cover up. Hey. Just to, you know, throw on after the beach. Next I brought this little dress. Coochie Mama. Yeah. This is gonna be my club dress if we decide to go. Very cute. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that was a total of 8 outfits, and my bikinis, and my pajamas, just for the carry-on. Okay, so I don't even know if I'll be able to wear all that. I'm just an overpacker. I like to be prepared for any of the plans that will change. I go with the flow, so I'm gonna be prepared. Tell me in the comments which outfit you would wear, or rank them.